Left a bit more, it's catching the wind. Copy, adjusting, steady on the guide. Alignment good, locking now. Secured, confirm tension.
How engineers built the world's highest bridge above the clouds, an engineering marvel constructed at extreme altitude where weather, wind, and the physical limits of human combines create one of the most challenging construction projects ever attempted. Wind's picking up, check the sensors. Drone deployed, scanning rock face.
Data confirms instability in Sector 4. Overlaying stress model now. Foundation anchoring operations are commencing on the cliff face. Monitoring all systems. Dust is heavy, but visibility is holding. Acknowledge, keep monitoring the data feed, progress is steady. Alignment looks good, lowering steady. Copy, watching the depth. Seated, start the pour. Pouring, applying wedge. Taping edges for cure.
Base is leveling out, keep the drill steady.
Copy that, pressure's good.
Aligning the panel now, small adjustment left.
Locked in, ready for the next lift. Pilot line secure, begin tensioning. Copy, pulling now. Line is taut, proceed to steel cables. Steel cables aligned, activating hydraulic. Good vibrations. Up she goes, steady now! Copy, pulling left. Good, ease right, watch the wind. Aligned, holding. Final nudge, set. Ready to bolt, let's start. Copy, applying torque now. First set is tight, moving on. Confirmed, starting the next one. Good tension, proceed to the third. All right, bolting's done. Ready to weld this seam? Yeah, let's go. I'll start on this end. Check this joint, looks good. Agreed, moving to the next one. Alignment looks good, ready to tack it. Tacking now. Watch for sparks. Looks solid, moving to the next brace. Copy, I'll follow and weld. Good progress, one more section.
Okay, first asphalt layer is down, starting the compactor. Compaction complete, looks good, moving to the next section. Railings are set on this span, moving to the next section.
Initiate load test. Trucks proceed slowly.
Sensors active, real-time data streaming.
Monitor for anomalies. Wind is a factor.
Deflection within limits, performance nominal.
Log all data.
All right, vibration is stable at 12 millimeters. Stress is holding at 150 MPa. Proceeding to scan the cable for flaws. Ultrasonic is clear, no internal cracks. Good, document it. Okay, thermal imaging is good. Let's get to the coating phase. Copy that, starting spray on this section. Wind is picking up, monitor the curing. Roger, this finish will last. Surface prepped, moving to fixture alignment. Copy, cabling pathway is clear. Position fixture for roadway coverage. Connection secure, ready for test. Activating, check illumination pattern. Looks good. All right, this section is clear, moving on. Copy that, this fixture is next. Looks good, surfaces are clean. Confirmed, proceeding to the next one. Final structural checks are complete, the bridge is stable. Good, let's verify the mechanical and electrical systems on the checklist. All systems are operational. Safety and environmental measures are confirmed. Barrier test commencing, applying impact force. Impact registered. No structural degradation. Signal comms 552 across lighting test. Systems operational. Sensors are powering up, calibrating for data flow. Connection verified, transmitting. Data streams active, monitoring temperature, vibration, and stress. Field calibration complete, system online. Signage team, align the speed limit sign to the gantry. Marking crew, begin lane lines from the center joint. Copy, moving to phase 2.
After months of construction in extreme conditions, overcoming engineering challenges at heights where most humans struggle simply to breathe, the world's highest bridge now stands complete. Two Cabres me fermi seconded in Chief that were separated geography, now connected and enabled to participate in expanded economic and social opportunities through the infrastructure that now links them.
All right, team, begin the lubrication sequence on the anchorages. Confirmed, applying grease now, pressure is optimal. Visual inspection clear, moving to the next bay.
Power washing complete, all cables are clean.
Applying de-ice to the main cable. Ice is building up fast with wind. Roadway systems active, vehicles are passing safely, no slips reported.
The engineering of the bridge represents not just technical achievement but environmental stewardship, ensuring this critical infrastructure integrates with the natural environment while minimizing ecological impact and supporting the long-term sustainability of this unique mountain ecosystem.
Wow, this is incredible! The highest bridge in the world.
Look at the mountains and the clouds below.
I have to get a picture. This is a once-in-a-lifetime view.
The bridge has become more than transportation infrastructure. It has become an engine of economic development, connecting markets, enabling commerce, and creating opportunities for entrepreneurship and regional growth that were previously impossible due to geographic isolation. The world's highest bridge represents the culmination of human engineering knowledge and structure capability, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and demonstrating that even seeming local challenge through determined engineering and construction effort. To be first individuals whose knowledge, skill, and determination combine to create achievement.
Good work. Log the readings and proceed to the next segment.
All right, team, let's check these cables.
These cables show excellent corrosion resistance, a key to durability.
Yes, and our maintenance logs confirm the coating is holding strong.
This design minimizes environmental impact while ensuring safety.
As the sun sets on the construction achievement, the bridge enters its permanent role in the landscape, serving the communities it connects, supporting commerce and opportunity, and standing
Schedule shows cable inspection next. Proceed systematically. Applying protective coatings ensures decades of durability. Documenting now creates a permanent activity record. Checklist looks good. The joints are holding up.
Copy that. We're securing the cables.
All right, team, wrap it up. What a sunset.
Roger. Lights are on. Night watch begins.
The bridge is complete, meeting every engineering standard. Its performance confirms structural integrity and quality. This achievement will serve generations as critical, now operational. Connected to humanities separated by geography, and serving it as Chima and Chima lakes can accomplish when faced with seemingly impossible challenges. This bridge represents engineering achievement. It represents human potential to overcome extraordinary challenges through knowledge, skill, determination, and collaborative effort. It stands